I'm on a mission, running up, running up, running
I
up.
request that you wake up.
You're not in my room. You are not!
You have successfully
Why?
awakened. Mission complete.
Leave me alone. My alarm clock.
It has not triggered yet. 5 minutes early is on time. That is the phrase posted on the wall. So I woke you 5 minutes before your alarm clock engages.
Dick?
Wait, that girl disappeared and we can't find her anywhere. Can you help us? She might have
I wonder where she is. I wonder where she is.
My name is not that girl. Please address me as I guess.
You came out of nowhere. You're part of our team now, and you wake me up in the morning. I would like a little bit more distance, or to get to know you a bit better
I
first.
while he was asleep.
Please.
Unlocking the door took 2 minutes.
That's unlawful entry. Didn't we tell you
Yeah.
to stay in the command room at night?
Yeah.
I determined that it is ideal to be on standby in this room. Is this a problem?
Yeah. Yes. You should
Where's this
ask
coming
me.
from all of a sudden?
Hi.
If there is a problem, I will address it promptly.
I would like
The
to have a say.
problem? Well, it's probably against dorm regulations for one. Look, don't just stand there. Tell her.
Trust me, I will. No, you can't. You can. Dude!
Care. She's
I don't
not
want a
allowed
robot
in here.
leaving with me. I'm curious to learn many new words. Oh. You're not talking. Well. I don't mind that at all, actually.
We.
Where?
Last night.
Didn't ask?
She.
Oh, did she die? Car
She was taken
accident.
by the
Car
angels.
accident. Wow. Car accident. Please tell me she got run over. Please. 3-0.
Well,
3-0. 3-0.
you were not expecting to deal with this. My aunt was the reason I was able to come to Japan, and now she's been taken away.
Did she get run over
she helped
though?
me so much, but I could not do anything for her. I tried.
Okay, but did
holding
she
it
get
all
run over?
inside. I felt that crying would not help me.
Did she get run
I
over
saw the
though?
look on your face.
What? My face? Fuck. My face is literally blank. Oh, I'm glad and everything. Get me wrong. I'm sorry for your
Forgive me,
aunt
but
and
I
whatnot.
cannot so today.
No,
I'm going
tell
out.
me, please.
Well,
Please.
see you later.
I don't
I
think
need
he's
to
gonna,
know.
He's not gonna tell you.
Dude. You can't just tell me that you're anti and not tell me how. Oh, I got excited. Badly. I
Yeah.
heard about death and shit. Like, the fuck. Na 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 na.
Oh, I
What?
thought she would give you some. Alright. Address!
What are you? No, 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 no. I don't wanna.
The border, floor opens,
As
and
of today, I will be joining in the operations to explore Tartarus. I am ready for deployment.
yes,
I
No.
have also been
Yes.
equipped with
No.
a number of combat
Yes.
functions,
No.
in addition to the
Yes.
ability to summon a
Yes.
persona.
No.
I will provide
No.
more details later,
Yes.
but suffice to say, you won't want to miss it.
What if I get?
Is that our tactical
Don't
approach?
move the
Understood.
thing.
Proceeding to not get carried
I didn't
away.
move anything. I just hit the button.
I want to click. Can you transform?
Our current
That would've been
objective is
cool.
the elimination of
What if she turned into a
large
gun?
shadows
A
that
double
appear
gun?
during a full
Triple
moon.
gun?
Please make efficient use.
Quadruple gun? 5 guns. All right, so let's select the team for this time. I'd say we gotta have Junpei on because it's level 20 fucking 1. Okay. I guess I don't have much of a. She's the highest level out of everyone. Are you sure you really want to take her?
We're taking her because she's the newest member.
She's the highest level.
I hope to be of service today.
Okay. Why is your bar already filled? What the fuck? There's a dead end. The fuck you mean? There's a dead end. There's no dead end. There's no dead end. There's no dead end. Dead end. Dead end. Dead end. Dead end. It's not a game, and I'm not playing.
I am ready to move out at any time.
What?
Awaiting orders.
The fuck? Whoa. Completely different area.
Do you like Akihiko's new weapon?
Scenery changed. Those shadows
wait.
lurking around might be different too.
What is that? Wait, what is that?
Pyro Jack and Jack
that-
Frost as his.
Aww. That's cute. It's really cute. Wait, should we equip outfits? Actually. We have outfits. Okay, now we're the velvet one. What about... Yeah. What do you want to wear? Sure. Okay. What about Akahaka? You will be the Tuxedo Man! Junpei. You're a pirate? Fuck. It's pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Oh! Wait, yo! Wait, what? Is that not...
It's Ryuji.
No? Yeah, it's Ryuji. Why? Why is Junpei the only one that has that? Okay.
Because it's like, because you can be Joker. Akihiko is someone else.
I can be Joker.
Yeah, there is a Joker outfit for Makoto.
Oops.
Yeah, there's a shadow.
Nice. Oh.
We cannot pass this up.
Hold up. Don't you know? Do. Oh yeah, I get
Oh, now I
time
remember
travel or
this.
some shit. What is it? Something seems different about this floor.
It's a clock, like the one on the first
Here,
floor.
I guess. Here's a book. What? What did that say?
Tutorial stuff.
I think I will.
Oh, Junpei.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Can I just do that with no consequence?
Yeah, it's to get
No
your
consequence.
party members like leveled up more. Probably
another-
him because Yukari isn't with us right now.
Sure.
I completely forgot about this.
It's pretty useful, honestly. Pretty fucking useful. What, did we
Is
get
everyone
teleported
alright?
out then?
I lost you all, but it's like you teleported here. Seems like... Oh. It probably does that so you're able to put the people you just used on your team. For it. Looks like you can just resume from where it teleported you away.
Let's get a move on,
Okay. So, if I do this, and I click on stats... What?
It said in their next battle.
Oh,
This place is incredible.
okay.
It's like a three-dimensional labyrinth. Shadow sight.
Huh?
So, we
Initialize
do a
it.
battle.
Yeah.
We're on the advantage. We have the chance to go first.
Hiya!
What is optimal?
Seems like you can only hurt yourself
The last
to
of
be
the
useful.
anti-shadow suppression weapons.
I don't know how good that is, honestly.
Preparing to eliminate all hostile targets.
I mean, I'm sure it's strong, but if you can only hurt yourself, then like, kind of weak, bro. Not gonna lie. Only 38. Holy shit. Oh! Yeah. Oh, come on. Fuck off with that.
Summoning.
I don't know if you need to. Okay. Well, you use 2 attacks and you're already at half health. Thanks to yourself.
Yeah.
I feel like you're really not useful to the team. Also, wow. Yeah. Wow. Turn shot. 32. There's weak pierce damage. 2 to 4 hits. This is medium. To all foes. To one foe. To one foe. I'll get rid of bash. Yeah.
Object of value low.
Sorry. I'm a bit tired. And yeah. Honestly, dungeons just put me to sleep. I mean, the other part I probably like the least about the game.
Hey, it's the stairs.
Get him!
That one's special. Take it down.
So the actual RPG part is what you like the least in this RPG game.
Yeah.
That's it.
Is that weird?
Is that how you felt on 4 too?
Kind of. I don't know, I'm kind of more for the story. You know? Yeah? No?
Yeah.
No? Doesn't look like magic does anything. Yeah. Oh, come on. No!
Are you still here?
Yeah, dude. Yeah. It's my turn. Yeah! Haha. Oh, wait, actually, I'm kind of interested in this. 200 to like every enemy. Did she do that on her own?
Yeah.
She sure did.
Remember when I said she's a good party member?
Yeah, just for the fear, G, not for anything else.
Exactly, she has like the best theurgy in the game, and I meant specifically we should probably use her for like the boss fights.
Oh. For that? Yeah, probably. Honestly, yeah. Bam, 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 bam. It's fun.
No good. It doesn't look like we can get out of this one.
Yeah.
Enemy eliminated. The next one's Sonata Senpai. All enemies defeated. As they say. Good work out there.
Bam, 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 bam.
Greetings.
Enemy
Enemy
defeated,
defeated.
requesting our next directive.
Let's keep exploring.
Yes.
Affirmative. Though Taurus might be a colossal tower, a journey of 1,000 miles begins first treading without fear, as they say.
Yay!
I guess you know some unusual phrases. Where did you learn about them? I have a daily academic regimen. Just the other day, Junpei taught me how to write haikus. Oh my Tartarus, dark, decrepit Tartarus, why are you so tall?
Oh, I can recognize Fuka now on the little thing. It's nice. And also, Kihiko, and... Is that the fucking 17-year-old in the background? Cool. The dog. And the robot. I guess the 17-year-old's there because he was a member of the team a long time ago. Or maybe he joins it again. Who knows? We good to go?
Well, yeah, but...
Were we doing this? Were we doing Tartarus?
Yes.
No, what, did you just remove every single team member I control? Goddamn.
Well, they're at the lowest level, and Igus is the new member, so we have to have Igus for this.
Oh, well, I guess I control the main guy, and
Hey,
fuck
like
you
you're the only
guys.
guy in the
Let me change the outfits. Here, you can choose what they wear. Metal Gear, Metal Gear, Metal Gear, Metal Gear. Bro, I look goofy as hell. Let me change my one too.
Phantom suit is the Joker outfit.
Oh, check it out. Dude. Oh, that's the Anne. Doesn't really fit Hikari much.
They're the same.
And what is that? Is that
That's P4's school outfit.
Chie? I can see, is that Chie then? Or
I don't
no.
think it's specific characters, it's just the school uniform.
Fuck you, Mitsuru! Oh, you killed my father!
You're not Yukari.
I mean, we don't know how.
This team layout had to happen eventually. You've had a lot where I only control one party member.
Yeah. It's finally time that it's possible, you know. There's a shadow. Oh no! Whoops, missed it. Haha.
I see. So this is what you would call a harem, correct?
I forgot that's the dialogue. If you have all females.
Wow.
Fantasize of having one.
Wow.
Is that what you're angling for?
Well, ulterior motives aside,
That's
I have no
crazy.
problems.
There's the exit. No.
No.
There's the exit.
Well, you haven't discovered all the map yet.
Where have I not gone?
There.
What? Oh,
And the other side.
got you. That's such a weird dialogue. Is this what you would define a harem? But it's not quite what.
Okay, there
We're
it
back
is.
to being.
She finally attacked Mitsuru.
Let's go. No, I think it was Mitsuru that never attacked her.
No, it was Mitsuru
No.
always attacked Yukari in that fight. Yukari never attacked Mitsuru. She attacked the other guys.
Yeah. Where's my darkness? There's my markness. Sure. Hiya! Aww.
Yukari-chan's been
Fucking
talking
block
to
it.
Murder. Not proud of it. I'll show you.
Dun-da-dun, dun-da-dun, dun-da-dun-dun.
Kirito-senpai's attack just knocked
What's
out
the plan?
Let me try another darkness.
Oh, I can't shift because I have a status ailment.
Shall I move to strike?
You can't pass me the thing?
It's because when you have a status ailment, you can't shift. And because Mitsuru
That's-
is like,
What do I do? This will do the trick. Go for
Stupid.
more ice.
Stupid. I don't like it.
You hit a weak
Man, good thing they didn't attack Mitsuru there. Man, fuck you. That's so unfair. Oh. Let's restart the fight! Hooray!
Are you kidding me?
Wow. That is so mean.
Let's get a critical hit!
I still think out of moves, she's probably the worst one, considering, you know, health existing. Wait, what did I say? Weak? Wait, he is weak to darkness. That's good. Good. My boy. Here, no, that's not what I meant. No, it's not what I meant. Where are you? There you are.
Ready to switch in.
I have a status ailment!
Uh,
Use your own ice.
Fine. I'll use my own thing. You guys are good for not. I can't shift.
Oh, then, you can. We have ice items.
Ah!
I'll hit them where it hurts.
There you go. Are you fucking kidding me? Why am I both food? Why is it not an all-out?
Because I have a status ailment.
Doesn't matter.
I'll hit them where it hurts.
It should still be an all-out for the rest of us.
Let's use this and regroup.
God, fucking annoying ass status ailment. Good choice healing, by the way. There we go. Fucking hell.
Finally.
Yukari, can you stop
Okay.
being fucking, I don't know, charmed? I feel like you've been charmed for the entire fight, dude. Also nice, they attacked you. As I look into horizon, there lies. At this point, you might just kill yourself before you kill them. You know that, right? Yeah. Yeah.
We've won.
Give me card? No card. Wait, what's this? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, excuse me. Why? Money was an option.
We have plenty of money. Also, I just used all, like, my HP on those attacks, so I needed it.
I know, which is why I think this teammate is bad. I don't want to start wasting my shit on health because you keep killing yourself.
Hey, so, are you... How would you like to hear that Aegis is, like, the most popular Persona 3 character?
No, she's not. No, she's not. How?
Initializing combat mode.
How? Is she not the main character, not Junpei?
No.
How?
I mean, she's the mascot character.
Who, the robot?
Yes.
Did she get added into the game or something? Like, how is she the most popular?
No, she was there from the beginning.
Then how is she the most popular?
People like her.
She's not the most popular. She just... She has the personality of a robot. Literally.
Uh-huh. And the majority of people, like, agree that she's best girl in the game.
What? Best? Like best girl, like the best one there?
Yes.
Are you serious? No. Absolutely fucking not. That goes to Fuka.
I agree that it goes to Fuka, but... I agree that it goes to Fuka, but Aegis is a very close second.
For me right now, she's in last. Also, how the fuck do I check her? Stupid. What?
You just used Oracle.
Oh. Well,
Also, you can take over for the battles for me right now. I just missed the call.
I'm trying to figure out how do I check their thing.
What to do?
Like that.
There we go. Fucking hell. Wait, was that me or was that you? Okay, there we go. This is probably lightning. Yeah.
get
Oh.
a weakness with this.
I've got a weakness with this.
Wow. You have a skill that can hit a weakness.
I can't change. Guard? Damn. Stick to physical. Honestly, stick to physical. Don't use their special moves. Yeah.
Focus.
Hey. Oh yeah. That's okay. I can just kill him with this. Yeah, I really never fucking mind. Baby, baby. Hiya. I pass it. No.
You call?
I pass it to you.
Alright, I'm back.
Shall I move to strike? Go for it!
No. Why my boo-boo?
Oh, it blocks it.
You don't want to literally blocks it.
Like fish in a barrel!
Like if you didn't know.
Out of my sight!
Shuffle. There we go. The fool. So now that there's two new enemies that we don't know what they're weak to, you don't use the one to discover if they're both weak to it. Cool. Feel like you're doing this on purpose.
Looks like fire.
Do we not know? Oh, it's fire and the punchy punch. I have fire in my pocket. It's right fucking here. Fuck you. I got fire. Get fire. Get fire. I got fire. And I also have this one. Fuck you. Other guy. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, your attack without the big strong thing is honestly better than your damaging moves. Let's get this new persona. Oh. What do you serve? You're useless to me. Goodbye. Stop. What? Can you, dude? Can you not? Genuinely.
What? I'm not doing anything.
You're moving my camera, dude. And I already take a while to get through this shit in the first place. Thank you.
There it is. A door.
Ooh. A door. It is a door. Looks like that one Pokemon. The unknown Pokemon. Elizabeth and something and something. Okay,
Yeah,
we
go
can
open the
proceed.
door.
Sure, why not? Okay. Didn't know we could just open the door. Cool.